Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome today to the class subject science. Topic is birds, our feathered friends. Okay. Now you all can see on the board there is a picture of a bird. Now if you see in your surroundings, you find so many birds. Are all the birds of the same size and shape? No, they come in different sizes and different shapes, and also their colors are different. Like for example, crow. Crow is a bird. What is the color of the crow? Black. Now you see a pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Okay, you see a pigeon. The color of the pigeon is different from the color of the crow. So the color of the pigeon is either white or grey. Then you see some hen or cock near your houses. Their colors are also different from the color of crow and pigeon. So birds come in different color, different sizes, okay, and they are bigger and smaller. Okay, so now we will see that birds are the only animals, which have feathers on their whole body. Okay, birds have feathers on their whole body. So they have three types of feathers. Okay, now why do they need feathers? They need feathers to mostly fly. Okay, so feathers are of three types. One is flight feather. Now the name flight itself says that this feather helps the bird to fly. Okay, they are bigger in size and they are attached to the wings. Okay, so these are the flight feathers, and also they are attached to the tail. Okay, so flight feathers are bigger in size and they are attached to the wings and the tail. And then they have down feathers. Now these down feathers are mostly near the belly area. Now the belly means the stomach area between the chest and the legs. Okay, so the feathers which are found here are called as the down feathers, and these feathers are very soft and fluffy and they are very smooth. Okay, then we will come to the body feathers. Body feathers means the feathers which are covering the whole body of the bird. Okay, the feather which covers the whole body of the bird is known as the body feather, and also this feather gives the shape to the bird. Okay, so how many types of feathers are there? Three. Flight feather, which helps the bird to fly. Then body feather, which is covering the whole body and it gives the shape to the bird. Down feathers are near the belly, that is the stomach area, and they are very soft. Okay, then we will come to the beaks. Okay, now the birds, they do not have teeth. Okay, so how do they eat? They eat with the help of beaks. Okay, different birds have different shapes of the beaks according to the things they eat. Okay, did you understand so much? Okay, next we will move on to the different parts of the bird. Yeah, the different parts of the birds are, you can see here, eye. Birds have two eyes. Okay, this side you can see one, on the other side there is another one. Then we have the beak. Beak, the bird eats with the beak. Then we have feathers. Okay, then here we have the wings. Then tail. This is the tail. Then this is the whole body of the bird. Then these are the claws. Okay, claws means with which the bird holds its prey or it holds the branches. Those are called as the claws or panje. We say panje, no? So that is called as the claws. Okay, so this is the tail. So these are the different parts of the bird. As I have said earlier that birds do not have teeth. So how they eat their food? They eat their food with the help of beak. But the beaks also are of different types. It depends on the kind of food they eat. Okay. According to the kind of food they eat, the beaks are also different for each bird. First we will see the peacock. What is the national animal of India? It is the peacock. Okay. So the beak of the peacock is short, strong and pointed, as you can see. Okay. The beak is short, strong and pointed because it helps them to crack open their food. And birds such as sparrows, pigeons and peacocks eat nuts, grains and seeds. Depending on this, they have their beak. Next, this is the picture of a parrot. Can you see the beak of the parrot? A parrot has a short and curved beak that helps it to crack open nuts and eat fruits. Next you can see here, this is what? It is an eagle. Okay. So birds such as kites, eagles and owls eat the flesh of small birds and animals. They have sharp, strong and hooked beaks that help them to tear the flesh. Okay. These birds are called birds of prey because they catch the other birds, hunt and eat their food. Here you can see these two beautiful birds. Some birds like sunbirds and hummingbirds drink nectar from flowers. As you all know, some flowers will have nectar deep inside. Okay. So these birds are gifted by nature. Okay. They have a strong and a pointed beak which is very long so that they can drink nectar from flowers. Okay. And you can see the beak is very thin because the flower also will be thin where the nectar is deposited. Okay. So, and hummingbird also you can see this is a hummingbird. It can stand like an helicopter. It can fly and it can stay in its place. Okay. This is a beautiful woodpecker. Woodpecker eats small insects. They have strong pointed beaks that help them to make holes in the trunk of trees and pull out insects. Next, you can see here, what is this? This is a duck. Duck is a water bird because it swims in water. So water birds such as swans and ducks eat insects, worms and plants in muddy water. They have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on both sides of the beak. Can you see the tiny holes here? They have the tiny holes on both sides of the beak. Now, these birds fill their beaks with muddy water. The water flows out of these holes and leaves behind the insects, worms and plants which the birds eat. Okay.